I don't know where everybody is today.
Sleeping.
Did you say sleeping?
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, I know. I just woke up.
Do you not have any morning classes?
No, I do from like 7:30 to like 9:55, but
Yeah.
then I have study halls and lunch until your class, so I just
Gotcha. Took a little nap.
Yep.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
What up, gang?
Hi, Kevin. How are you today?
Man, I don't even know. I slept through like half my classes, kind of. I was just laying in bed, chilling. And then, like, now I'm in this class because I knew I had to be awake.
Good.
Dang, only 7 people.
Yep.
It's boof.
I have 2 of them. Class doesn't really start though for another 2 minutes, so it's all good. Hi, Eli. Kevin, did you get your car fixed?
Were you talking to me?
Yeah, did you get your car fixed?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
And then yesterday I was like, man, why's my steering wheel making that weird buzz sound? And I checked my steering fluid and I was like, damn, that's more money.
You're like, darn it.
Dang.
Now, are you paying for all these repairs or do your parents help you out?
No, I pay for everything I got.
So did you have to get just one new tire?
I went to Tire Man. They put a new tire on it, but they said the tire doesn't match the other ones. So I'm like, okay. I mean, the car drives fine.
That's good. Tires are so expensive.
I know.
Crazy.
My dad's like, you need a catalytic converter fix in your A2 sensors. And I'm like, but I like the loud noise. I got to keep it.
All right, we're going to go ahead and get started so we don't waste your time. But today is a game day. All right, so what you're going to be doing is, oh, hold on, let me let some people in. All right, so what you're going to be doing is I have a slide posted in Google Classroom that looks like this. Okay, so you have to play 3 different games today. All right, so one of them has to be that 9 find. That's what I taught you last week. Okay, then you get to choose the other 2. On the next slide, that's where you can find all the links to everything. All right, so you choose what you want to do, but you need to do 3 different games. Sound good? But you have to do 9 find for sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, if you're good, then you can go as long as you're working. If you're not working though, like if you're not turning something in by the end of the period, then I'm going to start counting you absent. Okay, so if I tell you to work, you have to work.
So how's the 9 find game work?
All right, I'll pull it up. I love this game actually. Okay, so
guys, can we go?
yeah, if you're good to go, you can go. Okay, so the rule is there's one big square, right? You're going to use the numbers 1 through 9, and they can only appear 1 time.
Okay.
Okay, so for instance, they give you, in this case, they gave us 2 numbers, so I can eliminate all the other 8s in this block. So I can eliminate an 8. I can eliminate all the 2s in this block. All right, the other rule is that any row or any column can only add up to be 9, no more than 9. So if I look at this 8, right? 8 plus 1 is 9. So anything bigger than 1 is going to get eliminated from this row. So because 8 plus 9 is 17, 8 plus 3 is 11, 8 plus 4 is 12, 14, 17.
Okay,
so
so
go ahead.
with the golden circle numbers, does it
Yes.
go up and across?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So like here, since I have my 8 still, now I can look down the row. I can eliminate everything except for, oh, there was another 8 I can eliminate. I can eliminate everything except for that 1 because 8 plus 1 is 9.
Okay.
So I can't eliminate that yet. Then I do the same thing for my 2s. I need to look at the column and the row. 2's pretty low. So it's only going to eliminate 8s and 9s because 2 plus 8 is 10 and 2 plus 9 is 11, right?
Yeah.
So in this row, I can eliminate a 9. In this column, I can eliminate the 9. All right, so then I start thinking, like, I look for my 9s. So I have 3 9s. I don't have a single 9. I already have my 8s. I don't have a single 7. I have a bunch of 6s. I have a couple of 5s, a couple of 4s. I have a lot of 3s still. I already have my 2 identified, but there's a single 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so I could identify that one. The other thing you can do, so that's all of our single numbers. In that 1, that gives me a total of 3 in this row, so that doesn't eliminate anything in this row yet.
Oh, so since you did 2 golden numbers, that's
Mhm.
basically 3, and then you have to find other numbers that add up to 9 with it.
No, it can add up to be no more than 9. It could be less.
Oh,
It
okay.
can't be more than 9. All right, so now look at all my 9s. I have 3 9s all in this row, right? And this is the only place that they are,
Yeah.
which means I'm going to have to use a 9 out of this row. I don't know which one, but I'm going to have a 9. So that means that 6 can't work because 9 plus 6 is 15. So I know I'm not going to use the 6 in this row. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
Well, okay, so are you okay with the fact since the 9s are only in this row, I'm going to have to circle one of those 9s?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I circle any one of those 9s, 6 is going to get eliminated.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I'm eliminating it. Okay, now I notice I had 2 5s and they're only in this row. So that means I can eliminate 7 and 9 because 5 plus 7 is 12 and 5 plus 9 is 14.
And 5 plus 5 is 10 too, so you eliminate.
Well, I'm only going to pick one of them. Remember, I can only have that 5 once. All right, so now this first column this is where all my 6s are located, right?
Yeah.
So I have to use one of these 6s. So since I'm going to have to circle one of these 6s, I know I can't have a 9 here. And I can't have a 4 because 6 plus 4 is 10,
Yeah.
right?
So you eliminate another 6?
Well, I don't know which one I want to keep, though. I don't know which one to keep yet. But here's what I do notice, though. I'm left with a single 9 now.
Yeah.
So I can double click that. I have to keep that 9. It's the only one left.
Oh, yeah.
So that means then everything is going to get canceled out of this column. That's the nice thing about 9s. It wipes out everything else in that row and column.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so now I start looking again. Like, I already have my 9s, I have my 8s, my 7. I only have one 7 left. So I know I have to keep that one. Okay, but what's 7 plus 3?
10.
10. So too much, and too much, right? And 7 plus 6 is 13, so that's too much. Which means I only have 1 6 left now. Okay, so 6 plus 3, that's 9, that's okay. 6 plus 5, that's 11, that's too much. So now notice I only have 1 3 left, I only have 1 4 left, and I only have 1 5 left.
Huh.
So that's how it works.
I'll stay on the Zoom call. I'll do the other
That's
2
fine.
games, and then I'll do the 9 one last.
Maybe you should do it first in case you get stuck.
Okay.
Those of you who just jumped on, you have a slide out in Classroom that has you playing 3 games. The links are on the second page for all the games. You must play a 9 find though. That must be one of your games today. Okay, if you're good, you can go, but you have to do this now. Okay, if not, then you're gonna get marked as tardy, or as absent, I mean. Okay? You're welcome to stay if you'd like to as well, but you're welcome to go, and it's just so you can do the games.
So like right now, as soon as I got on the game, there's a 1 and then there's an 8 right next to it. So is the
Hold on.
8?
Hold on one second. I'm gonna let you share your screen with me.
Okay.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Desktop or application? It says which one? I forgot. Which one. Desktop?
Sure.
Okay. Oh wait. Can you see it?
Yep. Okay, so you have a total of 9 in that top row, right? Well, first of all, let's get rid of all the 1s and all the 8s.
Yeah, so then this one's gone.
Yep.
And that's it.
I see an 8 down there.
Oh wait, yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, yeah.
Miss Owingo,
Yes,
how do I find that?
it's in Google Classroom.
Okay.
All right, Kevin, so what are you gonna do now?
So since the 8's already circled, would I go through the rest of the row? So like this wouldn't work.
Yep,
This wouldn't work. This wouldn't work. That wouldn't work.
correct.
And this wouldn't work. This wouldn't work. These two could work to be a 9. So are these cool or no?
No, because you already have 8 and 1 in that row. That adds up to be 9, so you can't have anything else in that row. Because
Okay.
otherwise it would add up to be more than 9.
Okay.
Good.
And then since the 1's right there, this would be 10. So this is a no.
Correct.
This is a 4. So no. No.
No. Leave those there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Next one too.
So then,
Oh, wait, you need to reveal one more there.
oh, this one?
Yes, because 1 + 3 is 4. That's okay. Remember, it has to be 9 or less, and 4 is less than 9.
Oh, okay. So this one's fine?
Well, don't circle it. Just leave it uncovered.
Okay, okay.
Hold on one second, Kevin. Hey, Abby, today is a game day. Okay, so I posted a slide in Google Classroom where you can upload it. The second page of the Google Slides has all the links to all the games we've played. Okay, so you're welcome to stay on and play, or you're welcome to get off as long as when you're off, you're actually working, okay? You good, Abby? All right, go ahead, Kevin. What are you gonna do next?
So, honestly, what would I do next?
Okay, so I start with the biggest numbers. So
Okay.
start with 9s. Do you see any 9s?
Yeah, 1 right here, 1 right here.
Okay, so now the good thing is they're all in the same column, right?
Yeah.
So you have to keep one of those 9s, so what can you eliminate?
2, 3, 5.
Good, good. All right, so we can't pick out which one it is yet, and that's okay. So then we already have our 8s, now do 7s.
7s. So there's 7 right here, and that's it.
Wait, uncover it, because we have to have a 7.
Oh, okay. I thought you said eliminate it.
No. So there's our 7. It's the only one, right?
Yeah.
So circle it. Okay, so what can we eliminate from that row and column?
This equals 10,
Yep,
10,
yep,
10,
yep.
11,
Good,
12,
good.
11,
Mhm.
12.
Nice. That wiped out a lot for us.
Yeah.
All right, so then we do 6s. We still have 3 6s. We still
Damn.
have 3 5s. Wait, something happened here. We lost our 4s. We don't have any 4s.
I don't think we had any 4s.
Yeah,
Oh,
that can't work there.
Yeah.
because that 8.
Yeah, all the 4s didn't work. Like, I think there is
Where was another 4?
right there. That can't
Okay.
work.
But there's more. There was more.
One right there.
Okay, but that can't work because of that 7.
Yeah. Right there.
Okay, but that can't work.
Yeah, I don't think any of them can work.
All right, hit the reset button. Do you see the reset
Alright.
button there? Let's try again.
So then I was left with these. This was highlighted. This was gone. This was gone. There's a 4 right
Okay,
there.
wait, that 7 I don't think is right. Wait, hold on, hold on. I'm looking at where all your 4s are.
Oh yeah, there's one right there, but that can't work. Here, I'll just highlight them, if anything. That's where all the 4s are.
They weren't underneath anything you have blocked out.
Huh?
They weren't,
No, they weren't underneath anything. So what do I do?
will you hit reset one more time for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know that, will you block out the 7 below the 8? So we have to use that 7.
Okay.
Okay, but this doesn't make, I think there's an error in this puzzle.
There's a 2 right there.
Yeah, but we need the problem is the 4s. So the 4 underneath the 8 is gone.
Yeah.
Uncover that again for me. I'm gonna take a picture. I think there's an error in this puzzle. Hold on one second. We're just gonna do a new puzzle, but don't change it yet.
All right.
All right, let's just go ahead and get a new puzzle. But I think there's an error in this puzzle.
All right.
All right,
So
so go
then,
ahead, get rid of all of our 1s.
yeah, all the ones. There's one right there, and then there's an 8 right there. So this is
That's
not.
okay. No, that's okay. Because 1 + 8 is 9.
Yeah.
But
8's
there's a-
gone.
But there's a whole bunch of 8s. No, you can keep the 8.
Oh.
We just don't know what 8 it is yet. So get rid of that yellow 8. The only thing a 1 can eliminate is a 9.
The only thing a 1 can eliminate is a 9.
Yes, because 1 + 9 is 10.
Yeah. So then this is gone.
Yes. All right, so let's start with our 9s.
So there's a 9 right here.
So there's 3 9s right in towards the middle there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the 9 is going to have to come from that row. So what can we eliminate from that row?
5 3 2.
Good. All right, that's the only thing we can do right now. We have a whole bunch of 8s, a whole bunch of 7s. We only have 2 6s, but they're in the same row.
Huh.
So we know we're going to have to choose one of those 6s. But 6 + 2 is 8, 6 + 3 is 9. So the only thing that's going to eliminate out of that row with the 6s is the 7.
Okay.
Nope, uncover that.
Oh, this 7?
Column. Nope. Find the 2 6s.
Yeah, they're right here.
Okay.
Oh,
so,
this 7.
yes. Yep. All right. So now 5s.
There's a 5 right here, and that's it.
Okay. So we have to keep that. So circle that 5. Okay. So what does that eliminate for us?
The 7s.
Yep.
And one of the threes.
No,
Huh?
no,
Both?
because no. Because 5 plus 3 is 8. That's okay.
Yeah, but oh yeah, I guess. I was wondering why like I would have two threes.
Well, because we haven't gotten rid of everything yet.
Okay.
Okay, so think about that column though. The 5 with the column.
Yeah.
Okay, what can that 5 eliminate in that column?
8.
Yep.
So
Eight.
I've done 2 of these things now, and I've messed up both times.
Okay, hang tight and I'll do one with you, okay?
Okay.
All right, so
And there's
Wait,
two
do we
left.
only need 2?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Kevin, that's good so far. So now we did 5, so how about our 4s? So look at the bottom row there, you've got 2 4s.
There's 2 of them. So then
One of those is gonna have to be it. We don't know which one yet, but what can we eliminate if we know we have to have a 4 in that bottom row?
there you can eliminate the 9.
Nope. No, you gotta think about your row, because that's where the 4s are. The 4s go
Okay.
left to right.
You can eliminate 6 and
Yep.
8.
Good. All right,
And then
so
you
now,
can probably eliminate this one because if you go up, it equals 10.
nope, not yet, because what if we don't use that 4 underneath?
Yeah, that's true.
All right, so now 4 3s, we have a lot of 2s, we have a lot of 1s. Okay, so let's start over again. We look for 9s,
There's
we have
3
a
of
lot
them.
of 8s. We only have 1 7 left.
So in this row, the
So
8,
keep your 7 though.
yeah, so the 8 would be gone and the 2 would stay. And then, yeah, technically both the 8s would be gone.
You're gonna have 2 of the 8s gone, yes. Okay, circle your 7. Okay, leave that 2. Then think about that column. What's gonna get eliminated out of that column?
8.
Nope, think column is up and down. So go to your 7,
Oh, you're talking about the
up
7.
and down. Yep,
6 and 4.
good. All right, so now we still have 9s. Okay, so look at my 8s. We have 2 8s up there. They're all in the same row now. So we know I'm going to use one of those 8s at the top.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that what can I eliminate from that row?
This one.
Nope, rows go left and right.
Oh yeah. Basically everything.
Except for the 8s, right? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. We only have 1 6 left.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can pick that 6.
So then.
It's not going to eliminate anything for us, but we can pick that 6.
Oh, you're saying just highlight it?
Yep. We only have 1 4 left.
And then highlight that.
Yep. And what can it eliminate?
It can eliminate the 9,
And
the 8.
good. So now we only have 1 8 left.
So then the 8 can eliminate 9.
Yep. Circle your 8 though.
It can eliminate everything in that row.
Yep.
Oops.
Don't click on easy. Yeah. And so you're gonna lose it. Okay, so now you only have 1 9 left.
And then can get rid of this.
Yep.
And then this is highlighted, and then bam.
Wait, you gotta circle those 2.
Oh, these?
Yeah, because you don't have a 2 or a 3 in your puzzle yet. There you go. All right,
And then
snip
I
your
just-
picture.
screenshot.
Yep.
Man,
All right.
that was confusing.
So whoever wants to go next, screen share it.
I
Okay.
don't know how to screen share them.
If you go down to the bottom, you should have screen share.
Share?
Yeah, try that.
You cannot screen share while the other is sharing.
Yeah, I'm gonna cancel my screen share. If it lets me.
That red button up top, see where it says stop share?
Oh, stop share.
There
Okay.
you go.
Is it desktop or application?
Either way, it doesn't matter.
Like that?
Yep. Can you zoom out a little bit?
How do I
Can you
do
do
that?
like control minus? There we
Like
go.
that?
That way, yeah, that way I can see the whole screen. Okay. So let's start a new one. Or do you want to, which one did they give you? Oh, there we go. Okay.
They gave
So-
me I don't know.
That's okay. All right, so you can eliminate all your 2s. Do we have any other 2s? Nope. Okay,
No.
you can eliminate all your 6s now. All right, good. So now let's think about that row, or I'm sorry, that column. The 2 and the 6 are in the same column, so they add up to be 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to eliminate anything else that'll make it add up to be more than 9. That's in that column.
7.
Yep.
And the 4 and 5s, right?
Yep. Yep. Good. Okay, now let's think about that row with the 6. The left and right at the 6.
So I would get rid of my 9.
Yep.
My 7.
Yep.
The 4 that's right there?
Yep. Yep. Good. Okay, so now let's look at the row with the 2. Remember, everything can't add up to be any more than 9. It has to be less, 9 or less. So all of those are good, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now let's start going through our numbers. So I start big usually because the bigger numbers wipe out more things. All right, so 9s. We have all of our 9s in one column there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that means we have to use a 9 out of that column. Well, the nice thing about 9s is they wipe out everything else. So if we're going to have a 9 in that column, we know there can't be a 3, a 5, or a 1. I just don't know which 9 yet, and that's okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's look at our 8s. We have 8s in one row there,
Mm-hmm.
and that's it, right? They're all in the same row.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to use an 8 out of that row. So can I have a 3 or a 5 in that row as well?
You can have a 5.
Well, but 8 plus 5 is
Oh, wait.
13.
Oh, wait, you can't have 3 either.
Right, so go ahead and eliminate that 5 and 3. All right, so now our 7s, they're all over the place. 6s we already have. 5, they're in the same row. I'm sorry, they're in the same column. Right, we have 3 of them and they're all in the same column. So we're gonna have to use a 5 out of that column. So what can we eliminate from that column?
I could keep the 5 that's by the 4.
You gotta keep all those 5s for right now.
Oh. So
Because
get
we
rid of
don't know
8.
which one. Yep. Okay, but that means that, nope, keep that 5. What was it? What did you just eliminate? Because 5 plus 4 is 9. So eliminate that 8. You were right to remove that 8. There you go. Okay, now we only have 1 8 left. Clear
So that
down,
has to
right?
be
So we have to keep that 8. So go ahead and circle that other 8. Yep. Okay, so think about that column now. Since we have that 8, what can we eliminate?
the 7
Uh-huh.
and the 3s.
Yep. All right, so now we did 6. We don't know 5s yet.
And we only have one.
Yep, so we can circle that 1 and keep it. Okay, that also means then what can I eliminate from that row? If I keep a 1, what can I eliminate?
The 9.
Yeah, because 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay, so now we only have 1 4.
So circle it.
Yep. Okay, and so what is that going to eliminate for us? Yep. Okay, now we only have 1 9 left.
So circle that.
Yep. What is that going to eliminate? Good. Okay, now what?
You would have to eliminate one of the threes down here.
Okay, but let's look for anything that we only have one of.
Oh, 7.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what is that going to eliminate for us?
The 5.
Good. What else?
So we circle it?
No, 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 no. Just hold on a second. You have a 1 and a 7 in that column, right?
Yes.
You have a total of 8 in that column. So what do I need to do with the rest of that column?
Get rid of it.
Yeah, so we can get rid of the 2 3s there. They're stacked. Yep. So now you're just left with a single 3 and a single 5. There you go.
Do I stop sharing?
Yep. Just make sure you screenshot it and stick it in your
Okay.
slide.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Jaden, was that you who wants help?
Yeah.
Okay, whenever you're ready, you can screen share. All right. Yep. Can you zoom out for me? Hit that control minus, just so I can see your whole board. Okay, scroll down a little bit so we can get the board in the screen. Okay. So I see 1s, we got some 2s. You might just need to restart this one. You can reset or get a different one. There you go. Okay, so good. Good. All right, so you only have 1 9 left. Okay, so that's going to wipe out. Good.
Am I allowed to leave the meeting now?
Yeah, if you're good, I'm good.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So Jaden, I see your 8s are all over the place. You have your 2 7s are in the same row, right?
Hey, Miss
Good.
Owen.
Hold on, Kevin. 6s, they're all over the place. You only have, okay, you have 2 5s in the same column. So what can that eliminate? Good. We have 2 4s, bunch of 2 3s, bunch of 2s, and a 1. Okay, so let's start again. So we have 9s, 8s are all over the place. We only have 1 7 left now. Good. Okay, now my 8s are both in the same row now, or same column now. So I can eliminate good. So 9, 8, 7. We only have 1, oh no, we have 2 6s. We got 2 5s. We only have 1 4. Good.
This becomes a 5, right?
So a total of 5, yes. Good, so now we only have 1 8. Yep. Wait, yeah, there you go. Okay, so if you go back up to that row with the 8 in it, there's a 2 at the end that you can hide too. Yep. So then there's your 5. Wait, I'm sorry. Keep your 5 right there. You're good. The row that has the 8,
Mm-hmm.
8 plus 1 is 9. So you need to get rid of that 2. You need to hide that one. There you go, because your other 2 is your answer. And then your 3. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's up, Kevin?
How many of the 4 numbers do I need to answer if I do that?
Just 1.
I just need to do 1 equation?
Yep.
Okay. I did 4.
Okay, perfect.
So did I.
That works.
And then what about the game is set then?
Just find 4 matches or 4 sets.
Okay.
Did I quit sharing?
Yes, you did.
Okay.
No, you didn't, Jaden.
Yes, you did. Whatever Kevin says, usually do the opposite.
Don't do a handstand. There you go.
I got all mine done.
Good job. You're free to go then.
All right. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
Abby, you doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Mr. Wing, I'm just a god at this.
Which one are you doing?
I just did a set.
You like that game?
Yeah, it's really easy. So I feel like rewarded because I'm stupid.
You're not stupid. Knock it off.
All right, Mr. Wing, I'm done.
All right. Well, then you are free to go.
All right.
Have a good day. You too.